Now we're going to be looping through the records of clients. Now first column we can remove from the previous code and just put name, and then we only will have remove and edit, so it's basically just 3 columns. Now rows as user rather than order, and let's replace all this stuff, but we can actually remove this one. The first one will be helper, but it will be in code HTML, and we will take first name of the user, so user first name concatenated with the space, and user last name as the following one, so last name, and that should all be fine. Now we obviously don't need any of these, so we can remove these table cells after the username. And now we need to check if this user actually has any orders. So this is where we're going to be using the instance of our object order class. So if we scroll down to our second cell, what we're going to do first, we're going to create the orders variable, or array rather, which will be object order get client orders, and we have user ID as parameter. Okay, now we simply check. Actually, we can use this if statement here, but it's going to be if is an empty orders. Then we will simply actually we're going to check if it's empty. It's going to be easier. If it's empty orders, which means if this specific client has orders, sorry, if hasn't got orders, because we're checking if it is empty, then we will display link to the clients rather than orders, action remove ID, and it's going to be user ID here. So remove, otherwise remove will be just inactive. Then we do the same here for the edit. I mean, we obviously don't have to check anything, we're just basically taking them to the edit page. So it's clients as page, and obviously rather than order ID it's going to be user ID, and rather than view it will be edit page. Okay, and after all this we have our paging after the looping, which is fine, and then we display the message, which seemed to be working fine as well for this specific purpose. Okay, so if we save this page, go back to our browser, now click on clients, we get some problems here obviously because we don't have specific methods which we are using within this file. So we need to create get users, and let's have a look at this in the following video.